To get the KeyBank app, start by ensuring your mobile device is compatible with the app, either an iPhone or an Android device. Next, go to the App Store on your device, which is the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. Search for KeyBank in the search bar, and a list of results will appear. Select the KeyBank mobile banking app from the list, and click on it to view its details. Read the description, features, and reviews to ensure it is the correct app. Once you have confirmed the app, click the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Depending on your device and internet connection, this should only take a few seconds. After the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to log in with your existing KeyBank online banking username and password. If you do not have an online banking account, you can create one directly from the app. Follow the prompts to set up your account and security features such as fingerprint or face recognition for secure login. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and tools, such as account management, bill pay, and fund transfers. To ensure the security of your account, always keep your device and app updated with the latest software and security patches. Additionally, never share your login credentials or account information with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily get the KeyBank app and start managing your finances on the go. The app provides a convenient and secure way to access your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to simplify their banking experience.